have you put your seat check over your
Yes,
seat?
I did.
Sure, anytime you want to come down is fine.
Okay.
Great.
Let's see. I want this side this time.
Okay.
Well, this side's the time I've ridden the train.
Oh, really? All right. Welcome back.
We'll grab my other bag here.
Well, you'll need to leave your bags at your seat. You can't bring too much.
Yeah, I just have.
Oh,
That's my camera and this one.
yeah. Okay.
That's basically what I brought on my first trip.
All right. Good deal.
And you got the box with the red top. It's got the used tape on it.
Yeah, I thought I'd use there's not much, so there won't be enough. You'll need to use stuff off the roll.
All right.
Because there's not very much newspaper here.
Do you just run the cable up in there?
Yep. And I'll set it up and then. Okay, so this is, oh, you're busy.
I can watch.
Okay.
What do you fix the bungee cord to?
Bungee cord goes to these clips.
Huh.
And it needs to go around the handle a few times.
Yeah, it takes up the slack.
We need shorter bungees, or shorter ones that disappeared.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to those. The yellow, like, we had 2 yellow and 2 blue. It's like both yellows are gone, and then I think for a little bit we had only 1 blue, but then it got.
Well, there was,
Then it came back.
it reappeared again. I don't know why, but it did reappear. One more time.
So at the beginning of the trip, if those cases are closed, are we able to open them and use them?
If they're closed, open them. Not all the cars have these cases.
Yeah.
Good morning. How you guys doing?
We're doing great.
Hey.
How are
Doing
you?
good. How you been?
We've been great. This is our last
I
trip
know.
of the year.
Sucks.
Yeah.
You guys leave faster.
Only go till the end of September,
Yeah.
so I get some work.
Yeah, you guys need lunch this week? They don't want nothing to do with me.
Okay, Jim, do you want lunch? Oh, okay. Fill in the reservation.
Okay.
And, all right, then I'll see you.